Hello everybody, I'm here with another video. I saw that someone recently did a mod, a data pack that makes you wear Elytra with the diamond chestplate and every chestplate in the game. So all I have to do is just follow my steps and move the mods to your Minecraft folder, then the data pack to the world where I'm showing you in the video. Then just simply click on the create new world. As you can see, now I'm starting the game. Cause okay, don't stop right now, don't end the video, because I'm gonna show how to do that, because you don't expect this. You gotta have an Elytra and your chestplate over an anvil. Just drop them on the top of the anvil, just like this, and boom, look at that. And if you want to separate them, throw them on the grindstone. If you like this video, I encourage you to subscribe. See you later.